Hi everyone, welcome back with me in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a text box into your Google Sheets file. So here I have a blank spreadsheet, and then I'm going to add a text box into it. So the first step that you need to do is click on the insert menu at the top, and then go to drawing option. Select the drawing option, and then here draw some text box. You can just click on the text box here, the icon text T with the box here, and then you can just draw the box as you like. You can make it big or small as you like. I'm going to make it this big, and then type in the text that you want to add into the box. For example, this is just an sample text box. And when you're done with the drawing and the text, just click on save and close. And just like that, the box has been added into your Google Sheets file. You can also make some customization. Just click on the three dots icon, click on edit. If you want to make to add some background to it, just click on the fill color option and choose the color like this, and click on save and close. And now the box has some background to it. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.